Hello, I'm Mr. Spelling and welcome to another spelling list breakdown video. This week we have 15 spelling words for you to learn that all contain the digraph OY, making the sound oi, oi as in boy. Now there's two different ways to make this sound. The sound oi can be made by OY and it can also be made by the letters OI. Now this week we're focusing on OY, and this is usually found at the end of the word, and O and I is usually found at the start or the middle of a word. And I do have some spelling rule songs to reinforce that rule. Also, if you would like to download this PowerPoint and teach the lesson yourself, the link is in the description below. Anyway, let's start the list. Our first word is the word toy. I played with a fantastic toy. And the sounds of toy are t, oi, toy. The next word on our list is the word boy. I saw the boy at school, boy. And the sounds of boy are b, oi, boy. It's got 3 letters but 2 sounds. Our next word is the word soy. Now soy comes from the soybean, but you might see things like soy sauce or soy milk. And the sounds of soy are s, oi, soy. The next word on our list is the word joy. I felt joy because I sang my favorite song, Joy. And the sounds of joy are j, oi, joy. The next word on our list is the word coy. Now coy just means to be shy, coy. And the sounds of coy are k, oi, coy. Next on our list is the word ahoy. And if you're a pirate, you might say ahoy. And ahoy is like just saying hello. You might say it on a ship or if you're a pirate. And the sounds of ahoy are oi, ahoy. The next word on our list is the word annoy. I went to annoy my baby brother, annoy. And the sounds of annoy are oi, annoy. Next on our list is the word enjoy. I enjoy eating breakfast, enjoy. And the sounds of enjoy are oi, enjoy. Now this is a bit of a tricky one because I think most people say enjoy, but some people say enjoy. So that's a word that can be pronounced in a few different ways. The next word on our list is the word loyal. I was loyal to my best friend, loyal. And the sounds of loyal are oi, loyal. It's got 5 letters but 3 sounds. And you might say, hey, Mr. Spelling, there's OY in the middle of a word. It usually happens at the end. Well, yeah, but it usually happens at the end of a word or a syllable. So the OY is used there because that's at the end of a syllable, and loyal is a 2-syllable word. Following a similar pattern is the word royal. You could say the king had a royal hat, royal. And the sounds of royal are oi, royal. Next on our list is the word decoy. The spy left a decoy clue, decoy. And the sounds of decoy are oi, decoy. The next word on our list is the word joyful. And if someone is joyful, they are full of joy. And the sounds of joyful are joyful. The next word on our list is the word destroy. The dog went to destroy my homework, destroy. And the sounds of destroy are oi, destroy. And you might notice the E in that word is making an it sound. And that's something that you might have to pay attention to and learn by heart. The next word on our list is the word oyster. I ate an oyster for dinner, oyster. And the sounds of oyster are oyster. And the final word on our list, the challenge word, is the word joystick. My Nintendo Switch control had a broken joystick. And the sounds of joystick are j, oy, st, I, k, joystick. Or for our bigger words, you could break them into syllables. It's got 2 syllables, and we're going to chop them out. The syllables of joystick are joystick, joystick. Well, can I say thank you very much for watching. I'm Mr. Spelling. Enjoy this spelling list, and if you use it in your class, please let me know, and I'll be motivated to make some more. Thank you very much, and bye.